ที่แบบนี้เท่าไหร่นะ1,000เหรออ๋อ1,000ราคาคนไทยใช่ไหมครับ
ไม่ผมขายฝรั่ง1,500
ใช่ไหมครับอ๋อถ้าสมมติเป็นฝรั่งใช่ไหม1,500แต่คนไทยใช่ไหม1,000
ราคาครับ
สวยนะเนี่ย guys Guys, nandito tayo sa isa sa pinakasikat na weekend night market dito sa Phuket. Ang tinatawag nilang Ladyai Market. Dito to sa Halang Road, Phuket Old Town, guys. And usually, ang night market na to is only on Sunday. And ito sa pinaka dinarayong weekend night market ng mga turista dito sa Phuket, Thailand. Ayan guys, so talaga na-picture ko na to sa aking mga vlogs. Ayan, pero ito yung night market nila every Sunday, guys. So talagang makikita nyo yung building, talagang ano sila, Chino Portuguese building style. Ayan siya guys. Makikita nyo yung mga ibang mga turista na wearing traditional Thai dress, guys, and nagpapapicture sila dito sa mismong spot na to, guys, so with beautiful flowers. Itong area na to, itong building na to, guys. And so yeah, pag nandito kayo sa Ladyai Market, guys, puntahan nyo tong spot na to, guys. So talagang talagang best spot na pag-picture ng date ng pwedeng makakuha ng magandang picture aura dito sa mismong area na to, guys. Ayan. Dito sa Ladyai Market, sobrang daming mabibili, guys, as is. Sobra. Ayan. Mga street food, Thai street food, souvenirs, mga ganyan, guys. So yan, mga souvenirs, Thai dress, t-shirts, iba-iba mga yung mga yan, guys, souvenirs. Dami talaga, guys. Sawa kayo talaga sa mga mabibili dito sa Ladyai Market. And damit panbata, mga souvenirs, ref magnet, guys, ay mga yan. And meron din siyang Thai music, guys, ayan siya. Talagang, guys, idinirayo talaga ito ng mga turista, hindi lang mga local Thai locals, kundi mga iba't ibang turista na pumupunta, bumibisita dito sa Phuket Old Town. Yan, kita nyo ang daming mga flag ng LGBT, guys, kasi Pride Month, guys. Thai bag, guys, mga Thai traditional bag, mga ganyan. Dami talaga mabibiling souvenir dito sa Ladyai Market, guys. Medyo to, guys, pahabang kalsada to dito sa Phuket Old Town. Tapos sinarado nila every Sunday para makabuo sila ng magandang mahaba-habang night market, guys. And you have to visit my vlog, Phuket Old Town. No, during daytime. Ito naman kasi na to, every Sunday, tapos pang night time, talagang as is nag-create sila ng mahaba-habang night market. Yan siya. Souvenirs, bags, ang daming mabibili talaga. Mga pagkain, Thai street food, sobra. So guys, lagi ko sinasabi sa inyo, aside from Nakha Market, yan, which is a huge market during weekend here in Phuket Town, Nakha Market is only Saturday and Sunday. And so we have, they call it like this, like Ladyai Market, only open on Sunday. So this road. They close it just to create a very huge, how to say, huge and long night market during Sunday nighttime. And I think they open at like around 4 p.m. Yeah. Sobrang haba na to, guys. And you can buy some different souvenirs, street food, Thai street food, like this. So yeah, whenever you're here in Phuket town, just try to visit Lat Jai Market, guys. And then after this, at the end of this road, yan, pwede kayong pumunta dito sa area na to. Lumiko lang kayo dun sa area. Just turn a little bit turn right, and you will see the very how to say, stunning building with the clock. Yeah, Phuket Old Town, guys. Yeah, usually I always visit that place, guys, because of the stunning building. Yeah, I will show you. And guys, also my favorite Thai restaurant, this one, Toi Tor To. And if you're craving for Thai food, Thai noodles, and some Thai noodles, Thai food, and Thai drink, guys, yeah, you can visit this one, Toi To, guys. So you see, we have to cross the other road and still have a huge market, guys. Talagang sobrang haba talaga, guys. As is, ayan, the whole road of this one, they close it just to create a very long, how to say, market, guys, night market. So yan, guys, puntahan nyo to, guys, pag nandito ka sa Phuket town. Dami talaga souvenirs, Thai souvenirs kasi yan siya. Yan. Yan, mga Thai street food, guys. So right now, guys, it's low season here in Phuket Thailand. So you can see a lot of Chinese, guys. Khao Kha Mu, and one of my favorite Thai dish, guys, Khao Kha Mu. And so guys, sa tagal ko na rin dito sa Thailand, talaga medyo, sabi ko sa inyo, kabisado ko na yung mga Thai food, guys. Yan, mga paborito ko ito, mga salad to, guys. Thai salad. Mga pancake, guys. Corn. Yan. Oh, corn salad. Ang sarap niyan, guys. Thai drink. Yeah, chow kuai. Yan, favorite ko din nyo, guys. Chow kuai. Yan, chow kuai. Chicken satay. Yan, dami talaga, guys. Yan, so sobrang haba. Kung masipag lang kayo maglakad talaga, guys, dito sa mismong road na to, talagang as in dami nyo makikita, mabibili, guys. So, yan. Ito yung Lat Jai Market na tinatawag nila, guys. Dito naman sa area na to, talagang mostly Thai street food, guys. Yung dami mga talagang turista talagang bumibili. Dito sa mismong area na to, may mga shades pa, guys. Ayan, ang gaganda. Ang gaganda mga shades. Yan. Mga t-shirt, di ba? Ay, si kuya, sexy ni kuya. Sige, kuya, ubat ka lang dyan. Charot. Ang gagandang mga damit, Pick up. Aniแบบนี้เท่าไหร่นะคะ 150 บาท Louis Vuitton. Mga Thai t-shirt, guys. Yan. Pak. Maganda, diba? Dahil yung mabibili. Ayoko nang mag-shopping. Dami ko nang nabiling mga damit. Hindi na kasya sa aking aparador, guys. As is. Yung 100 baht, guys. Mga short Elephant pants, 150 on sale guys. So yung mga yun, no? Talagang murang-mura talaga guys. Yan siya. So guys, ayan. Dami-dami talaga mabibili. So ito yung haba ng ano, ng mismong night market. Meron pa to sa kabilang area guys. Pakita ko sa inyo. Mga scarf guys, 100 baht. Ayan o, sobrang gaganda. Mga Thai scarf, shawl, tawag nila. 100 baht guys. Ayan siya.
Send my phone.
Sandal. As in, ang dami guys. Sobra. So sa mga nagbabalak na pumunta dito sa Phuket, Thailand guys, wag niyong kalimutang bumisita dito sa Lat Jai Market o 280. Yeah, Lat Jai Market guys. Talat Lat Jai na tinatawag nila in Thai word Talat Lat Jai. Uy, sarap nito guys, as in natikman ko na to. Wow, sobra. Pia ni alaya?
Mochiค่ะ
Mochi. Masarap yan guys, mochi. Mga Thai barbecue guys, ayan siya. Oh. Dami. Oh, sticky rice guys, pakita ko sa inyo. Mango sticky rice. Ayan oh. Very popular yan guys. Hao niao mamwang. So yan guys. Swerte ko ngayon kasi ano, talagang rainy season na. Kaninang umaga sobrang lakas ng ulan. Ngayong hapon na to guys, na day off ko, naisipan kong gumala na naman yan. Lagi-lagi ako dito sa Lat Jai Market. Ngayon swerte. Kasi ngayon hindi umuulan talaga guys. Ang ganda ng araw. Hindi masyadong mainit. Hindi muna tayo bibili-bili ng pagkain kasi busog tayo. Hey friend! Have you been there? That area?
Not yet. We're gonna go.
Okay, yeah, it's just a little bit walk over there. Yeah. Imagine from Kata area and you have to go here, right? How did you go here, guys? Tuk-tuk. Yeah. Okay.
Yeah.
Good. Yeah, just enjoy, guys. Yeah. So imagine what a small world. They are my guests in our restaurant. Yeah, and then I saw them here from New Zealand. Mga yan, mababait. Tsaka nirecommend ko tong area na to, Lat Jai Market. Yan siya. Yan. So guys, aside from the Lat Jai Market, you can also visit this historic building here in Phuket Old Town. It's just a little bit walk from Lat Jai Market, and then you will see this very stand here in Phuket Old Town. I always feature this guys in my vlog. Yeah, this area guys, I have to show you this color yellow building, and this one. So from that area on Lat Jai Market, that side, you can just walk a little bit on the right side, and you will see this very beautiful, stunning historic building here in this area. It's a very nice one guys. Yeah, so you have to try to visit this building and take very good photos on this area. So you can see a lot of tourists guys taking photos on this area. So guys, on this area as well, there is also a night market that side. So if you are good in walking, and you can just also visit this area because they also have a night market here on this side with this beautiful yellow historic building guys. So you can see. So you see a lot of tourists are taking photos on this area. Also there's a night market. And as in talagang sobrang dinarayo tong tourist spot dito guys, di sa mismong Phuket Old Town. And it's almost like almost 5:18 guys in the afternoon, so you can see Yeah, a lot of tourists, guys. So this area, so a lot of on this area, guys, a lot of Thai souvenirs, Thai clothing, guys, scarves and shoes, guys. Yeah. Thai handicrafts, guys. Yeah. Handmade souvenirs. Talagang gagaling talaga ng mga Thai, guys. Ngayon, guys, as is. Itong area naman to talaga more on handmade, guys. Yeah, created by some how to say, very talented artists, guys, Thai artists. Scented candles, soap carving, guys, sorry. Yung mga yun. So yeah, you have to visit here, Ladje Market, guys. Dami, oh. Bracelet, Thai bracelet. Bags, wow. 60, oh. Wallet, 60 baht. So sobrang haba talaga, guys. Gamit pang bahay. So masipag yan mga bags, guys, mga bags. Roy Hasip, 150 pa. Maganda. Hats, Thai hats, mga sombrero. So talagang pag masipag kayong maglakad dito sa Phuket Town, yan, talagang yan, makikita nyo ang dami nyo mabibili dito sa area na to. Pancake, guys, pancake. Popular yung pancake na yan dito sa Thailand. So pag nandito kayo sa Thailand, guys, puntahan nyo to. Ay, dito sa Phuket Town. Every Sunday to, guys. Barbecue. So ayan, guys. Yeah, ito yung kabuuan ng Phuket Old Town Ladja Market during Sunday. Yeah. Parang may show ata dito, guys. Sa area na to. Yeah. Thai locals, guys. May street food, good health. Like I think very many show event. Yan, so guys, try nating magtanong kung magkakano yung mga presyo ng mga painting, Thai painting, guys. Yan, gaganda. ที่แบบนี้เท่าไหร่นะ1,000 เหรอ1,000 ราคาคนไทยใช่ไหมครับไม่คนไทยฝรั่ง1,500ใช่ไหมครับถ้าสมมติเป็นฝรั่งใช่ไหม1,500แต่คนไทยใช่ไหม1,000ราคาครับสวยนะเนี่ย guys. Yan. So if you're planning to buy some Thai paintings, guys, yan, it's only 1,000 baht. Wow. Sobrang mura, ang gaganda pa, guys. Yan ang presyo daw pag if you are foreigner, cost 1,500 baht, but if you are Thai, yan, it's cost only 1,000 baht, diba? Ganda. And so in this area, guys, you can also buy some handmade products made from coconut only for 100 baht. Wow. And they have also promotions, 10 pieces. Wow, free 1 piece. Yeah. You just buy 10 pieces, get free 1. Maganda. Wow. Handmade coconut product. Yeah. So they have a lot of designs. Sobrang mura. Beautiful, no? Maganda. Gandang pang souvenir sa sa bahay. Lagay ito sa sa sala. Decoration. Yan. 1 piece only 100 baht and 10 pieces, yan, free 1. Ganda sobra. A lot of designs, guys. So I will show you. Imagine 100 baht. And when you buy 10 pieces, you'll get one free. Only here in Lajay Market. Handmade coconut. Yeah, souvenir display. Wow, ang ganda. I like this one. Oh, made in Thailand. Okay guys, I have to end my vlog here in Lajay Market, one of the huge weekend market here in Phuket Old Town during Sunday. So please guys, don't forget to like, share, comment and subscribe my YouTube channel here in Phuket, Thailand. Feeling Thailander. Thank you so much for watching, guys. Bye.